exactly. So you know that saying where they say when you carry the horse to the river to drink the water, there's a spin off to it. You can either carry the horse to the river, the horse can either drink the water at that moment when you take him to the river, or you can take the water with him, leave with it, use the water tomorrow, drink it at a later date, whenever. But it's up to the horse what he wants to do with the water. You get what I just said?
Yeah.
You can give your word of advice, you can say whatever you want, you can do what you want, but at the end of the day...
Yeah, because you can bring the horse to the water and then the horse not drink the water.
Him not do not at all. Yeah, I'm take it and choose. So you know what?
Him can even go in there, stamp up in there, whatever,
Everything.
get in, you know. So you gotta let people be. Like, I don't know.
Why pray?
Tia will say.
I feel like I'm making an exit off TikTok soon. They're taking the piss out of me, bro.
What I mean? What brother?
TikTok still ain't unsuspending me,
No,
bro.
mix. She fall off, you. What go on, director?
What up? Fall off? Oh, director.
Why pray?
Where are they live?
Their father, what go on?
There, you know. What?
Hello, Tia.
Go on, you know.
Hello, Tia.
Hi, good night.
Good night.
Can't hear from him.
You look very good over there.
Oh,
Thank you.
director.
Hey, director. Oh, nobody them. Hey, what kind of set? Hey, what kind of voice I take up? Hey. Make sure say, you know, when I say hello to Tia, you know. I forget one of them. Hello, Tia. See them look hello, Tia, and them. But no, we not do that.
Right, Tia, have a good smile oh, as soon as you come out here.
We don't talk about this a while ago.
Director, what you do?
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Director laps.
Director laps, you know. Don't laugh, bro, man. Yeah, man. Right. Is it? One Tia, one Jaydenn was saying, yeah, is it?
Tia.
Yeah.
If you ever answer, you know, where answer is for?
If you want to give me a little eat, you can give me a little eat though.
No! No! Director beg eat from Tia.
Hey, me no one of them mix up, you know. Me never there. No. What there?
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh my
Don't
God.
ski record that part there. Me never there.
You're so brave.
Yo, man, them different tough fuck.
No, you know what it is? I'm waiting for these TikTok people, bro. You're all kid. What that cause this? No.
You can't run go nowhere. Probably there. That is it.
Jesus, hey, what go on right? So somebody just hop up on the car a while ago. What go on?
Jaydenn,
Jaydenn, are you up on this?
you're not for real. No, you're not for real.
Jaydenn, well, I know, Jaydenn, are you at me a while ago? Come on.
No, you're not for real.
No, I'm there, I do some work and me just come up on the live. What go on?
What's that?
Oh, Tia, director, but oh, them people here.
Jaydenn.
Fabbi, what go on with Jaydenn?
No, man, Tia a female girl, man. Tia a female girl, man.
That's a tell us some wish of the best.
No, watch out, no, I just come up on the live a while ago, Fabbi. Man, I wonder what go on.
That's a tell us.
What go on, Fabbi?
That's a tell us some wish of the best, man.
Blood. Fabbi. What Fabbi?
What go on, director?
Yeah, tit Fabbi.
Yeah, don't say it to the eating.
Fabbi, Tia, my woman, you know, Fabbi.
Yeah.
No, man, I don't see pre, you know. But that's a time some wish him the best, man. Man, if you see, me remember saying, you know, when me and him did that, nobody never really want him, you know, but all of a sudden now, them see me and him, them want him.
What?
But me not hold on upon him still. If a green card him want, him can always be him thing. Me not say,
No, Fabbi. Say clear man at the on the line, no director.
Jaydenn.
Yeah, Tia,
Jaydenn.
me woman.
Yeah?
Jaydenn.
No man,
You need to come and clear this up.
what in a Mig,
Huh?
you know, say if a she him
I
say
was
more, him
before-
can always do things, but
Jaydenn.
nah,
Jaydenn. You need to come and clear this up. You need to let Fabbi know that I was talking to you before. You need to let the chat know that.
Yeah, she that so what she talk about woman never want me? She that talk to me before, Fabbi.
Before. And I'm not
I
gonna
never know all of this.
one.
Bro,
I feel
You're closer. I'm not close. We just talked like 4 days before you start talking, and I just dressed back.
so you come back now.
I give you guys space. So if I'm not the one who do anything, you're the one who probably come with your toxic stuff and do whatever you want to do. I didn't do anything.
No, Tia, I'm not say. I never say do nothing, Tia. You're good man.
Okay, all right.
Well, if I you him same why him stay with us.
I was so happy seeing you guys together, so I just dressed back. I dressed back, give you room, give you guys your time. Anybody supposed to get an armor in there? You need to find yourself over there and give him a lick or something. I have nothing to do with this.
what type of
No man, Tia, hello,
Ed,
Tia,
do what you want to do. I don't know.
Man, I run back a man. But you him say more, him can always stay with you.
Yes, and Fabbi come lick you. What she say? Yes, because Jaydenn not making stuff clear. So if Fabbi want to go over there and do anything, she can go ahead and do anything to him.
Man, I'm alright, man.
Guys, we can make a serious marketing video. We can make a lot of money off this, you know?
What are you talking about?
We can do a show. Like, let's talk money.
Director say want make money off our life.
Director, me a beg you lion, no?
You want me money for your life? Director. I tell you, watch no. No, hold on no. Director. You are going now, Zane. This is how we're gonna make money off of the life and now. You hear me? You what you gonna do? You got top of your card. 20,000.